Marlene, girl. I'm afraid for answer my phone. Mr. Ermine, if I see the courtsman, tell him me down the home.
Aye.
I try to pay my bills on time. See God there. I work hard. It wasn't my intention to go maxi credit card. I owe Symphony bus driver. I owe Carrick school fee. I tap go PTA because I don't want teachers to me. I owe Miss May for extra lessons. I feel so bad inside. And I can't have a big pastor pray for me because I owe church tithe. I owe my partner. I owe the gardener. I owe Nish to do my nail. The amount of people I owe, I'm afraid they can't go to jail. I owe for water. I owe my daughter. I owe Mr. Chin 10 cents. Stacy, may I beg you to hide me? I owe the landlord rent. I owe every single somebody.
Oh God.
Good God. Me in a daze. But say, Papa Jesus, me no owe you one praise. I can't be at peace. It's like me and the bills them a fight. Rotted. JPS. I forget my awful life.
Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Zandramah.